Hello. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to download the student version of Ansys for free. Open any browser of your choice. Search Ansys Student. Click on this link and here, you can see the link to download it. You can access more tools on this page. For now, let's get back to show you how to download it. Here, click on this button and you can see it getting downloaded. In the next video, I will explain how to install it step by step. If this video was helpful, leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe. We are going to create a complete series on how to use Ansys for simple case study. See you in the next video.